Okay, let's understand what is 10,000, or say till now you would have seen a 4-digit number, but it's important to know 10,000 to understand the 5-digit numbers. If you add 1 to 9, 9 plus 1, let me take it from here, otherwise there will be shorter space. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. We all know that. 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. It's the smallest 2-digit number, right? Then what is the largest 2-digit number? Of course, 99 is largest 2-digit number. Okay, now what if I add 1 in 99? That is, if I add 1 in the largest 2-digit number, then I'll get 100. It's clear, okay? And this 100 is smallest 3-digit number. Then what's the largest 3-digit number? Of course, 999. This is the largest 3-digit number. I hope you all know this, that 999. I'm not going deep into explaining what is 999. That we'll do in some other video. So 100 is the smallest 3-digit, 999 is the largest 3-digit. What if I add 1 to 999? 9999. This will be 1000. So if I add 1 to the largest 3-digit, I get 1000, and 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. It's the smallest 4-digit number. Then what is the largest 4-digit number? That is 9, 9, 9 and 9. This is largest 4-digit number. Now what if I add 1 to this largest 4-digit number? That is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9 plus 1 will be equal to 10,000. If you want to say it how, then look here. It's 9, 9, 9 and 9. If I add 1 into this, this will be 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So I'll write 0 here. 1 will get carried over here. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. I'll write 0 here. 1 will get carried over to here. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. I'll write 0 here. 1 gets carried over to here. Then 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. I'll write it 10. So this is 10,000. And this is the smallest 5-digit number. This is the smallest 5-digit number. I'll leave rest of it, that largest, what's the largest 5-digit number and all. My only purpose was to explain you that's what is 10,000. When you add 1 to 9, we get 10. When you add 1 to 99, you get 100. When you add 1 to 999, you get 1000. And when you add 1 to 9,999, you get 10,000. Okay, so maybe till now you'd have seen only 4-digit number. Here it was a way to explain you what's a 5-digit number, and 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number.